All right, hello there, folks. Ryan here from Precision Trading Labs. What I want to do right away is that, in light of the market downturn that we've had, if you guys saw big tech sell-off today, S&P, kind of everything. And a bunch of you do not. I know a lot on my messages I get. A lot of you guys aren't comfortable with shorting. All good, kind of understand it, and there's ways around it. But I figured what I would do is I really would like to give back to the community a little bit. And what I'd like to do is take right from my community here uh, a good screening list that Mitch generated. My business partner is Mitch Firestone. Excellent trader, but he's really good at the mechanics of finding those little extra kickers symbols. Some people just trade the S&P, and that's fine, or just Apple. All good, do it. What works for you, I'm not. You trade. You got to be the trader you want to be. But my one suggestion is that what Mitch has made a life out of is finding good symbols to trade with little extra opportunities on top of our supply and demand trades, right? So, uh, let me just read his message. Obviously, you can see it here. But in light of the market downturn, a good screening strategy is to identify stocks exhibiting relative strength versus the broad market. Not RSI. Relative strength means they're holding up against the market downturn. Okay. One way to do this is to screen for symbols at or near their 52-week highs. This spreadsheet is a simple scan for symbols meeting that criteria, right? And then he puts a volume criteria. It's super important. Price per share of at least $5, and you could up that to 25, whatever. But this way you don't like getting in any pink sheets or anything like that. And then he puts a criteria of within 5% of their 52 weeks high, as indicated by the 52-week channel metrics. And there's more detail here. I don't want to go too deep in this. Okay, but in this spreadsheet, we will give you entire list. It's just a Google sheet, so it's super simple. You can copy paste it into your watch list. Just go symbol by symbol. But what I thought I would do is share this with you. And if you would like to get this watch list, why don't you just go ahead, comment below watch list, and I will share it with you via DM or send you a message below. But it could be super simple. We're going to challenge our students to participate and go in and chart for zones in there. Like, anyone who's interested, please join in. Usually we have about, let's see, our community is a little over 150 people. A good number of our students will jump in and go through that list and find their own setups and then share them. And then we obviously will be looking in these too. So I invite you to do the same. But why don't you go in, comment below that you'd like this list, and I'll send it over to you. And then if we find some things, maybe we could share it with you. If you'd like us to, or you'd like me to see me build one of the trades from this list, go ahead and find my calendar booking link in the description of the video, or if you got this via email, just look in the email. It'll say book a call. Click that link. The days I'm available will be there. The times I'm available. You can just grab a time, and we will jump on a Zoom call, and I'll build one of these live with you, and hopefully we find something we can take right there on the trade on the call. So look forward to hearing from you. Don't forget to comment below if you would like to get this watch list, and I'll share it with you. Take care, guys.